It's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you how I style my hair. For some reason, ang dami sa inyo nagre-request ng video na to, ng tutorial na to. Ang dami talaga nagre-request sa inyo sa comment section, sa DM ko, or sa Instagram comment section ko na, Ate Bubu, please, we need a hair styling tutorial. For some reason, tapos guys, hindi ako pro. I style my hair very, very simple. By the way guys, before we head on to the tutorial, if bago pa lang kayo dito sa channel ko, if you have any makeup or beauty questions or even hair questions, wow, hair questions, open ako sa hair questions guys. You can send your questions on my Instagram account. It's at makeupbabuya. Ayan. My DM is open 24/7. And also guys, if bago kayo dito sa channel ko and if hindi pa kayo subscribe, then please click that subscribe tab below. Nawalan ako ng hangin. And once it turns gray, yung subscribe tab na red, then you are officially part of the Boo Familia. And of course, guys, please do turn on that bell button so that you are notified every time your girl has a new video. So without any more further ado, let's proceed to the tutorial. So first up, I'm parting my hair sa center. And make sure after I part my hair, I neatly put it sa likuran. Next up, guys, I have my handy chopstick. Ito yung ginagamit ko to divide my hair. I don't know why, for some reason, mas easier tong gamitin, especially for medium to long-haired girls. But if you have short hair, then you really have to use a ponytail or a clip. And then, guys, I use the chopstick to do a half updo. Nakaka 4 to 5 half updos ako, or 4 to 5 divisions. And then I part my hair again sa center. And now it's time to curl the hair. So this curling rod is from SUESH. Yung heat ko guys, pag nag-curl ako ng hair, I 180. When you turn the curling rod on, wait for the blinking to stop. Ayan, pag nag-totally stop na siya sa green, then ayan na, na-reach niya na yung heatness level. You can start curling your hair now. So I take a small part of my hair, ayan, and then how do I explain this? Oh, I'm struggling so hard. How do I explain this? I take a small part of my hair and then I bring the curling rod under the hair and then I curl my hair from the outside to inside. Kasi pag inside to outside yung pag-curl, magiging parang vintage yung effect. So make sure you are curling from the outside to inside. Outside to the inside. From the front to the back. 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 So, ayan, wag niyong i-curl, guys, from the back to the front, the back to the front. We curl it front to the back, front to the back, with a curling rod under or below, whatever camera route. I am not good at hair tutorials. This is something new to me. Sorry na, guys. So, ayun, just repeat the steps, basically. If you need a guide kung gaano ka-thick yung kailangan yung i-curl, you can comb 3 fingers or with 2 fingers. Ayan. So, you can choose kung alin dyan mas comfortable sa inyo. But note lang guys, the thicker the strand, the softer the curl will be. And the thinner the strand, the bouncier your curl will be. And of course, it will also depend sa heat ng rod. So again, just curl it from the front to the back. From the front to the back with a curling rod below. Front to the back. Front to the back. Front to the back. And just do it on repeat lang siya, guys, like my lipstick shade right now from Sunnies face. Do it on repeat. I am really struggling in explaining this tutorial. This is a train wreck, but you guys requested it, so I'm doing it for y'all. And then I keep repeating it until I reach the top area kung saan na parang chihuahua na yung aking hair. And then, I just, again, part it to center. And then, guys, since nasa top area na tayo, eto yung part na gusto ko mas manipis yung hair strand. Kasi, gusto ko mas bouncier yung sa top area na ng hair ko, kung saan mas kitang-kita yung curl talaga. Again, with a chant, and curl your hair from the front to the back. From the front to the back with a curling rod below. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. This is such... I'm really struggling with this tutorial, guys. I love you. I hope you are learning something. Ayan. And then, after that, I let my hair cool off and then I use my fingers to comb through the curls para mas softer siya. Ayan. Because we don't want tight curls. We want soft curls for this tutorial. And then I also flip my hair back kasi mas nagiging bouncy siya. See? Look at that. Full, thick hair. Ayan, diba? And then I grab my GATSBY hairspray. This hairspray will keep your curls intact talaga, guys. As in, after I apply the hairspray, I comb through my hair again para lang ma-spread yung product. So that's how simple my steps are in achieving this Beyonce-like hairstyle. Whenever I wear this kind of hairstyle, ang dami talaga nagko-comment or nagko-compliment na parang si Beyonce ka, Ate Booya, na especially when I wear this kind of hairstyle. And of course, guys, if you take a selfie, then i-ano nyo na yung electric fan. Tapat nyo na yung electric fan habang nagsa-selfie kayo. Kasi that's what I do pag nagsa-selfie ako and pag nagsa-swatch video ako, if you can notice. Ayan, may pa-electric fan effect ako kasi ganyan si Beyonce. Thank you sa mga nagko-comment, ang mga compliments nyo na I look like Beyonce, like natatouch yung beehive heart ko. As in, guys, you have no idea how much nagpo-flutter yung heart ko. So, thank you so much. And ayun nga, if you learned something, if you like this video, please, guys, like and subscribe and share this video. And of course, again, if you have any makeup or beauty questions that you want to ask me, then go ahead and check me out. It's at Makeup by Booya. My DM is open 24/7. Again, guys, if you have any more comments or video suggestions, kagaya nito, ang dami sa inyo nag-request ng video na to, guys, comment nyo lang down below yung suggestions niyo because your girl is listening. Kasi I would love to film those videos na nare-request niyo. So, don't be shy to comment them down in the comment section below. Again, just remember, no hate, just love.